Tell me when the numbers go. Start rolling and rolling.
Alright. How you doing, baby? You ever been to Mayflower, Arkansas? Now's not the time to start. I'll sing you a song that my brother wrote about this. It's a lie. I can't even get the key yet. It's a lie. I can't sing it. I mean, remember the words too early. It's a lie when they tell you they love you. Here we go. It's a lie when they tell you they love you. It's a lie when they say that they don't. It's a lie when they say that they will. It's a lie 'cause you know that they won't. It's a lie when you watch KATV. It's a lie what you see and read. It's a lie when you believe what they tell you to believe. But it's always true when they call you a fool for believing anything Rex Tillerson might have ever said to you. Yeah, it's always true when they call you a fool for believing every word that they say. Who? Exxon lies and children die. Exxon lies. Let me tell you why. Corporations ain't nothing but rogue algorithms. It ain't people, it's just numbers. But maybe it really is people that are controlling the numbers. So what are we gonna do? Let me tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna start treating them like the criminals that they are. If I killed as many people as ExxonMobil, I'd be on death row. If I was black, I'd already be dead in Arkansas.